What is going on, guys? Today we're doing a move called the figure eight. Here is what it looks like, and here is the closed variation, and here is a slow-mo. To begin this move, you're going to start off in the closed position, hanging on to the safe handle. So the safe handle is the one that's not going to cut you, right? Usually doesn't have the latch on it. You're going to begin by pinching the safe handle with your thumb and your 4 fingers along the back of the handle here. And you want to pinch it in such a way that when you release your bottom 3 fingers, the bite handle will swing out, like so. Now, what you want to do is make this happen, right? Remove your bottom 3 fingers and have the bite handle swing out, like so. And at the same time, what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of an upwards pull. You'll notice my hand starts and it's very straight out, right? It's kind of like at a 90-degree angle here, straight out. And what I'm going to do a little bit of an upwards pull towards my face, right? So that the handle's here, and I'm doing kind of an upwards on a 45-degree angle here. And what that's going to do is cause the handle to swing up and hit your wrist. And you'll notice the angle here, all right? So it's kind of coming up at a 45-degree angle. It's not here, it's not back here. It's really inwards towards my face, like that. All right, so once again, right, you've got the safe handle here, 4 fingers on the back. You're going to release with your bottom 3 fingers. You're going to pull up so that the bite handle hits the top of your hand, like so. Now, from here, all you're going to do is you're angled towards your face, and what you're going to do is you're going to change the angle to be away from your face. All right, so I turn about 90 degrees, right? So it used to be facing this way, and now it's perpendicular, right? So it's facing like 45 degrees in the opposite direction. All right, and so what that'll look like, right, is if you've got the safe handle here, you release with your bottom 3 fingers, you flip up, and you're going to go across like this. And that is the top half of the figure eight. So if you picture it, right, you draw a figure eight starting in the middle, you go up and to the left. So if we're drawing it this way, I suppose, right, up and to the left and then around. And then the bottom is going to go the other way, and I'll show you how that works. So once again, right, you got the safe handle, you release, you flip up towards your face. You're going to turn the handle so it's facing 45 degrees in the opposite direction. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go downwards on a diagonal. So you're going to go downwards on a 45-degree angle here, like so. All right? So once again, you got the safe handle, you flip it up towards your face. You turn it so it's 45 degrees in the opposite direction, away from me. And then you fling it downwards. So now it's 45 degrees towards me again, except it is in this position here. Then all you're going to do is you're going to move from this position here across to the opposite 45-degree angle. So you can see where the figure eight comes in, right? I come up, across, down, and back. And from here, all you're going to do is you're going to remove your thumb and fling upwards like this to catch the knife with the blade pointing upwards like this. You might say the blade pointing upward, that's stupid, but what if you got to cut some rope? Or you got to cut something like this, and that happens, right? So this is a cool trick like that. Now, to cap it off, I guess I'll go over it one more time. So safe handle, release, fling towards yourself, across, opposite 45-degree angle, downwards on a 45-degree angle, back and up. And what that'll look like is if you do it right, it'll look something like that. Now, the cool thing about this move, there's 2 cool things, but the first one is that you can actually do it closed as well. So if you start with the blade out like this, you pinch it again in the exact same grip with your thumb here, 4 fingers behind, so that when you release, the bite handle swings out. You do the exact same thing, right? Up on a 45, across, down, underneath, and up. It's the exact same motion to close. And so what that'll look like is something like that. This move's cool because you kind of learn how hand motions, it's a very simple, very super simple, right? All you're doing is basically that, except hand motions can make a move look really cool. So that's kind of a unique little concept that will come into future more advanced tricks. But that's it. That's the whole move. Pretty straightforward. Hope you guys like this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.